Welcome to our lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll learn how to balance the chemical equation N_2 plus O_2 leads to NO_2 and identify its type of reaction. Here we have the unbalanced chemical equation. N_2 plus O_2 results in NO_2. Let's write that out. The first step to balancing a chemical equation is to list the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the arrow. Let's count the number of atoms on the reactant side. We have 2 nitrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. On the product side, we have 1 nitrogen atom and 2 oxygen atoms in each NO_2 molecule. We need to make sure the number of each type of atom is the same on both sides. First, look at the nitrogen atoms. We have 2 nitrogen atoms on the left and only 1 on the right. We can put a coefficient of 2 in front of NO_2 to balance the nitrogen atoms. Similarly, we now have 4 oxygen atoms on the right and 2 oxygen atoms on the left. To balance the oxygen atoms, we can put a coefficient of 2 in front of O_2. Let's update our atom counts. The chemical equation is now balanced. Now, let's identify the type of reaction. In this equation, we have 2 different reactants combining to form a single product. This is an example of a synthesis reaction, sometimes called a combination reaction. In a synthesis reaction, multiple reactants combine to form a more complex product. And there you have it. We've balanced the chemical equation N_2 plus O_2 results in 2NO_2 and identified it as a synthesis reaction. Balancing chemical equations and identifying reaction types are crucial steps in understanding chemical processes.